The workforce is changing and the way people hire are changing. I'm the ninth employee at JobVite. That company, I spent almost 6 years of my career there. Started when they had very few clients. One of our first clients was LinkedIn, Zappos before Amazon bought them when they were very small. I'll never forget kicking them off, and Tony Hsieh was in the room with us. So you can imagine how small Zappos was at that time. And what I learned by working with LinkedIn for 6+ years as my client, their CSM, is that the algorithm and everything LinkedIn does is continuously changing, and the candidates they're serving to the recruiters. And so today, more than ever, if you find yourself in a place where you're looking for a job, you're not finding the jobs through your relationships, or they've been handed to you very quickly like they have in the past in your career, it's time to embrace the new job search, and AI has to be part of it.